Spray this on your body, and insects will stay far away from you. You only need one ingredient to create a really powerful mixture. Take cloves, because they contain eugenol. It's a natural oil known as one of the strongest natural repellents against fleas and other pests. Add the cloves to a grinder. Grind them well to release their full aroma, which effectively keeps insects away. Next, prepare a pan, pour in about 7 fluid ounces of water, and add the ground cloves. Place the pan on the stove and heat everything so the ingredients combine properly. Add lavender, whose essential oils not only create a relaxing and pleasant scent, but have also been used for centuries to help keep moths, mosquitoes, and other insects away. Let everything simmer briefly. Prepare a taller container with a strainer. Once the mixture cools down, carefully strain it so only the fine, active ingredients remain in the liquid. If needed, add a small amount of water to slightly dilute the mixture. This natural solution helps repel not only ticks, cockroaches, mites, mice, bedbugs, and centipedes, but many other pests as well, providing long-lasting protection. Spray the natural mixture on your hands and insects will stay away. Spray it on your legs too, and no bugs outside will bother you anymore. Put black pepper under your bed. It might sound like it doesn't make any sense, but it actually makes a lot of sense. This is a really clever trick that can solve many of your problems. All you need is 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Toss the pepper into a grinder and grind it up. Freshly ground pepper from a grinder has a better aroma than pre-ground pepper you buy at the store. Now, sprinkle the pepper around the windowsills, door frames, and even on your table. But the most important place to focus on is your bed. For a long-lasting effect, take some aluminum foil, place the pepper in the foil, fold it up, and then use a toothpick to poke holes in the packet. This way, the aroma will seep out through the holes, and you'll avoid making a mess. Place this packet under your bed. It also works perfectly in your wardrobe. In a moment, I'll explain why. Another effective method is to mix the pepper with warm water. Take a jug of warm water and add the pepper. Let it sit for 24 hours, then strain the mixture through a filter. Use a funnel to pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, here's what it's for. Black pepper has a strong aroma that repels all sorts of insects like mosquitoes, wasps, moths, ants, bedbugs, and many others. Additionally, if the neighbor's cat does its business in your garden, you can spray the area with this pepper water solution. This mixture also deters mice and rats. As you can see, pepper has many uses beyond the kitchen. If you do this, ants, cockroaches, and other insects will disappear from your home. Leave it in the drawer, spice cabinet, on the windowsill, or on the countertop, and you won't see any ants or cockroaches anymore. Thanks to this, you'll have peace from these pests. A regular green cucumber will save you a lot of time, money, and nerves. No more buying expensive chemicals for insects. Hide such slices in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or bedroom. You'll see the effects the same day. Prepare a cutting board and a cucumber, just a regular green cucumber. First, wash it thoroughly in water. Then dry it. Now slice it into medium-thick slices. Cucumber has a scent that repels ants. The substances in the cucumber peel act on them toxically. They lose their sense of smell, orientation, and die. The content of natural repellent substances in cucumbers is invaluable. It's the cheapest and simplest way to get rid of ants. Then prepare baking soda. Apply about a teaspoon to the cucumber slices. Because of its properties, it's one of the most popular products for repelling and eliminating pests in the garden. But at home, it works great for repelling cockroaches. The soda will absorb the juice from the cucumber and strengthen its scent for insects. Transfer the cucumber slices with soda to a small plate and spread them around the apartment. Leave them in places where you've had the most problems with ants or cockroaches. This simple homemade spray works so effectively that rodents will avoid your home for many months. Start by preparing a glass container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Thanks to its strong scent, mint is a natural repellent. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Pour in 300 milliliters of hot water, stir and let it cool. Then, prepare a second glass container and a strainer with cheesecloth. Strain the mint infusion and add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar has strong disinfecting properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Moreover, its sharp scent repels pests. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle, which makes it easy to apply. This homemade remedy works as a protective shield against mice, rats, cockroaches, ants, and other insects. Just spray it where pests appear or where they may enter the house. It's a simple yet extremely effective solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Your home will smell beautiful, and you'll also get rid of an unpleasant problem. Take an orange and cut off the end so it stands securely on a flat surface. Now, cut it in half, making sure both parts are even in height. The orange not only smells great, but also contains natural essential oils with incredible properties. Create a hole in the middle of the orange pulp. Place a candle inside and make sure it stands securely. Now, take cloves and evenly stick them around the orange, creating a decorative pattern. Cloves contain eugenol, which has aromatherapeutic properties. Prepare 4 larger toothpicks and stick them into the bottom half of the orange, forming a square. Take the other half of the orange and carefully place it on the toothpicks, creating a lid above the candle. Light the candle and you're done. The warmth from the candle releases the intense aroma of the orange and cloves, which will help you get rid of mosquitoes and other insects. Enjoy an evening outdoors without any bugs. Try it and see the effect for yourself. Pour oil over coffee. A friend shared this recipe with me, and the results are truly surprising. Take a large container and add 3 teaspoons of ground coffee. It has amazing properties you probably didn't know about. Pour in 500 milliliters of water and mix well. Pour the mixture into a deep plate. Now, pour a thin layer of oil over the surface so that it floats above the coffee mixture. Take a regular bottle cap. You probably didn't know it has another use. Use a soldering iron to make a hole in the center of the cap. Quick and easy. Take a piece of string and make a loop in the middle. Thread one end of the string through the hole in the cap. Then place the cap in the center of the deep dish. Finally, light the other end of the string. Done. Your homemade lantern will repel mosquitoes and make summer evenings much more pleasant. Try this trick and enjoy peaceful nights. Put a bay leaf on the window. Your problem will disappear instantly. Bay leaves aren't just a popular spice that adds flavor and aroma to many dishes. While we mostly associate them with cooking, they also have other, lesser-known uses. It turns out they can effectively help with a very common problem in your home. Spring has arrived, the days are getting warmer, and we're opening windows more often to let in fresh air. Place bay leaves along window frames or on the windowsill. You can adjust the number of leaves depending on how strong you want the scent to be. This method keeps flies away from your home. These insects can't stand the strong smell of bay leaves. It irritates them. It's a simple, effective, and natural way to get rid of flies without using chemical insecticides.